Come on ladies, let's be honest, how many of us are carrying around a little bit of extra jelly around the belly? But I've got a great solution to share with you today. Our amazing Collagen Peptide Beauty Shakes are packed with pea protein. Now that will keep you full for about 4 hours, which is great. It's got all your amino acids in there, your collagen, yay ladies, collagen, collagen, collagen for your hair, skin, nails and joint health. It's also got your pre and probiotics to protect your gut health. And as we get a little bit older, that's something we need to be taking more consideration with. So today, I am going to be taking you through my 5 favorite smoothie recipes, one for each day of the week, one for all different reasons, to show you just how easy it is to lose a little jelly around the belly in just 5 days. Alright, so here we're starting with Monday. Monday is Blueberry Bash Day. Really simple. Coconut water, great for hydration. Then we're going to put in blueberries. You can use frozen blueberries. Now we have 2 flavors. I alternate depending on which fruit I'm using. So with the blueberry, I like to use vanilla. So 1 big shake of that. Pop it, the lid on, and then we go and blend. Blueberry bash, fabulous. Look at all that. We've moved on to Tuesday, and it's Tuesday Kicker Day. So this is one of my all-time favorites. It's a little bit different, but you've got to trust me. I've put my coconut water in. For this one, I like to use the salted caramel flavor. Nice big scoop. Now, here's the kicker, a cup of coffee. Yes, you heard me right. I generally put a little bit of ice in there as well, so it kind of gives me the iced coffee texture. Then, peanut butter. Yum. And 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Now I'm just going to go over and put a little bit of ice in this. And now we're going to blend. Watch the colours in this. Back to the bench, and here's my coffee kickstart for the day. This will keep you going for the next 4 hours. We've arrived halfway through the week, which is great. It's hump day. It is Watermelon Wednesday. Yay! Today we're focusing on hydration. Actually started with a little bit of ice, and the flavour of our Collagen Beauty Shake is vanilla for this one. And I am going to go with the watermelon. If you have some mint lying around as well, or growing in the garden, that is beautiful in here. And blend. Look how pretty that is. Come on! Come on! All right. And here we have our pretty and pink Watermelon Wednesday. Here we go. This is lovely. Nice and cold. It's Fill Me Up Thursday, and this is an awesome shake. It will keep you filled for most of the day. Trust me, it just does. My favorite flavor for the Fill Me Up Thursday is salted caramel. So I'm going to start by adding the coconut water onto a little bit of ice. Then we're going to go for the salted caramel. We're on day 4 of collagen in the body, all our good gut health, and then we're adding the filler. And guess what it is? Banana. Full of potassium, vitamin B6, and as you know, bananas are filling at the best of times. Combine that with this pea protein base, the collagen, your amino acids, pre and probiotics. This is one of our faves. This takes the word banana smoothie to a whole new, a whole new level. Look at that. Banana smoothie, fill me up right now. Okay, we have reached day 5 of our Jelly Belly Challenge. How are you feeling, ladies? I hope you're feeling great. This one here is full of antioxidants. It's a little bit different. If you can't buy them fresh, you can absolutely get them frozen in most supermarkets, and it's the pink dragon fruit. Now, I just love this fruit, and it's perfect for Friday to give you that energy that you need for the weekend, antioxidants for your skin, packed full of collagen, and the flavor of this is just to die for. Pink dragon fruit, trust me, it's like nothing you've ever tasted before. And that is the end of our 5-day Jelly Belly Challenge.